next we shall move on to the 14th main, children. Question is, without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following is the question. So without actually multiplying means, why they are telling this thing is because they have given question as minus 12 whole cube plus 7 whole cube plus 5 whole cube. So as soon as anybody see this problem, what you do? 12 cube you will find out, 7 cube you will find out, 5 cube you will find out, add or subtract according to the sign. That is the reason they are telling us without actually multiplying, we need to simplify this. Calculating cube, find the value of each of the following. Now, if you look at this, children, again to solve this 14th main, let us use the hint given in the 13th main. See, now we solved 10th main using hint of the 9th main. That is 9th question itself we used as the identity in case of 10th main. Here also, if you observe the question, children, 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube, is it not of the form x cube plus y cube plus z cube? Alva? So, go back to 13th main, children. What is x cube plus y cube plus z cube? Just now we proved now that it is equal to 3xyz. Using that identity we can do. As well as we will use the condition that if x plus y plus z is equal to 0 anta. E condition we will make it use of. Now this given question is of the form x cube plus y cube plus z cube. But what are x, y, z values? That we need to write now. What is x under? Minus 12. What is y? 7. What is z? 5. Like this, x, y, z values we will write. And what is the condition? If x plus y plus z is 0. Adu, one more thing, children. Simply we cannot make use of this 13th main identity that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. X cube plus y cube plus 3xz cube will be 3xyz if at all x plus y plus z is 0. That I am verifying now. Simply I cannot go borrow that formula from the 13th main. But I should prove. Now that is the reason we wrote what is x, what is y, what is z. Now we know x, y, z. No? So we will substitute and find out whether we will get 0 or not. What is x? Minus 12. What is y? 7. What is z, children? 5 is equal to 0. Minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 is again 12. Minus 12 plus 12 is 0 is equal to 0. So, given value when you find out their sum x plus y plus z, we are getting 0 means, children. Now it says that we can use the identity that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So, hence we can write it as minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus z cube. From where am I getting this? X, y, z values igala. X andre minus 12 whole cube plus y cube andre 7 cube plus z cube andre 5 cube is equal to 3 into what is x? Minus 12. What is y? 7. What is z? 5. Again, you need not write the LHS. I directly write the RHS. 7 5s are 35. 35 into 7 5s are 35. 35 into 3 if you do. 3 5s are 50. 1 carry. 105 we got. 105 into 12. So we got, I multiplied all the numbers with plus sign. So minus 12 into plus 105 I am doing now. 12 5s are 60. 0 6 carry. 12 zeros are 0. Plus 6 is 6 only. 12 ones are 12. What did I get? Answer to be 1260 is the answer. So, if at all we, by finding out the values of x, y, z, if we prove that x plus y plus z is 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to, simply if you multiply 3 into x into y into z, that gives the answer. So simple now, children. Similarly, you have second problem also. Same method. So let me not erase everything and I will make my work simpler. So x value is changed, y value changed, z value also changed. So otherly second question is, children, 28 whole cube minus 15 whole cube minus 13 whole cube. Here don't sit and search for the perfect cubes. We are not bothered whether they are perfect cubes or not. 28 whole cube andre, it is simply 28 into 28 into 28. What is its product? We don't want. So easy it is to simplify. If you actually sit and multiply these children, you need to find out what is 28 into 28 into 28. Next you need to find out what is 15 into 15 into 15. Next you need to find out what is 13 into 13 into 13. Then add or subtract according to sign. So difficult, no? But if you go for this method, easily I can find out. So 28 whole cube, right? X is 28. Y is minus 15, but be careful with the signs, children. Z is minus 13. Now, to use this, to take the help of this identity, first we need to prove that x plus y plus z is 0. That we should do now. What is x? Plus 28. What is y? It is minus. Minus 15, z is minus 13. So, plus 28 minus 15 minus 13 is minus 28 is equal to 0 on that. We got LHS equals RHS. So, x plus y plus z condition satisfy arbitrary. We can use this identity or condition that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is 3xyz. Now, substitute x cube andre 28 whole cube, y cube andre minus 15 whole cube plus z andre minus 13 whole cube is equal to 3 into x is 28. Y is minus 15, Z is minus 13. 3x, y, z I wrote. Minus into minus is plus number. Number will be positive, don't worry. Now you need to multiply what is 28 into 3 into 15 into 13. That multiplication, 13 3s are 39. 39 into 15. I have done it, children. Let me not waste time multiplying. Where it is? 28 cube. Yes, you will get 16380 is the answer. You will get 16380 when you multiply 3 into 28 into 15 into 13. That is about the 14th main. It is not that difficult. Very, very easy, children. So don't worry. If at all in test or exam, no, simply I will not give this. I will give you the condition also. If at all x plus y plus z is 0, then prove on that. Since we are solving one main after the other, here they are not mentioned. They are asking you to use your brains. So last two mains we are left with. Given possible expression for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. So the given question are areas on the children. So area is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So when you grow up, children, I want you to buy a plot. How big plot I should buy, ma'am? If you ask me, you should buy whose area is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. I will tell you. So what is this area? If at all you go and ask any broker, I want to purchase one land. Yes, so how, what dimension you want, 30, 40, 60, 40, like that we tell usually. But you go tell him, I want whose area is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. What he will do? He will laugh at you, yes, no? So, but we have to find out what actually it is, how much it is, we need to find out. How we have done so many problems so far, that the concepts only we should keep and find out, children. Now, you have learned one method in factorize in this lesson only, no? Multiply first. Whenever you have three terms, how do you factorize? Multiply first and last term according to their sign, along with their sign. So find the multiples such that when you add or subtract the multiples, you get the central term or the middle term. That we will do, children. So multiply first and the last term, that is plus 25a square into 12. How much is 25 into 12? Seriously, I don't know. Let me find out. 12 5s are 60. 6 carry. 12 2s are 24 plus 6. 30. Correct. I got 300. 300. Not only 300. 300 a square I got. Now I should multiply such that whenever I get these two terms, I should get 35. So, which are the multiples? See, children, if at all you get big numbers, no, simply you cannot find out. So, go for this method, no problem. But don't start with two small number, like don't start with 2 here. If you start from 2, no, it will take, it is not like you will go wrong, you will get correctly. But after that, you should group the terms such that when you add or subtract, you will get 35. It will take a long time, children. So, shall we start with 15 table? 15 2s are 30. 0. I got 20 plus 15, 35. See, like this, start with big numbers so that you will get in 1 or 2 steps only answer, and you will see. If suppose I will start with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0. 2 7s are 14, 1 remaining, 5. 2 5s are 10. Again, 5 is there, I cannot do odd number 2 table you cannot. Test start with 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Again 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Like this you should do. How you group andre, you should trial and error, you should check. ಈಗ 2 and 2 if I group, I will get 4. 3 and 5 if I group, I will get 25. Again 3 and 4 I should group, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 and 5, 25. 16 and 25 are 35 barata? No. So you should again erase. Next check 5 into 2 pair madla, 2 into 3 pair madla. Like that you should sit and check trial and error, children. That is the reason I am telling, try with big numbers when you have big numbers. See, I started with table 15. 15 2s are 30 and I have 1 more 0 remaining. 15 plus 25 is clearly 35. So 20 into 15 is 300. As soon as you write the terms, give them this variable with them a. Now, with whatever sign the middle number is having, give it to the greater number along the multiple. So 20 is greater than 15. I will give 20 minus a. But what sign I should put for second term is the question now. Minus 20, if at all I give plus 15 here, minus 20 plus 15 andre, I will get answer 5. But I don't want 5, I want 35. Here also I want plus 300. So both the terms I will get minus sign, children. If I do so, minus 20a into minus 15a is plus 300a square. Condition satisfied. Minus 20a minus 15a andre hinge. Minus 20 minus 15 is add the numbers, put minus number sign, minus 35, which is the required middle term. So come back here. I will write it here separately. 25a square minus 35a plus 12. First term as it is, replace middle term by those two terms, that is minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. Group first two terms, last two terms. What is common? Don't take 20 as common so that 5 will remain here. No, wrong, children. You should not do that. 20 and 25 goes in one table 5. Like that you should take. A square andre a common tagotini. 5 5s are 25. A square 1a if it comes out, one more a is remaining. Plus into minus is minus. 5 4 times is 20. A came out, so nothing is left. I will close the bracket. This minus sign I will write as it is. What can you take common? If you look at 15 and 12, you will tell no common is there, ma'am. No, it is there, ma'am. What is it? 3. Yes, no? 15 and 12 both goes in 3 table. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. Alva? But A, only 15 is having A, 2 is not having any A. So I cannot take A as common factor. 3, how many times? 5 times is 15. A I have not taken it common, so I will write as it is. Sign multiplication, be careful. Minus into plus, minus. 3 how many times is 12? 4 times is 12. See, 5a minus 4, 5a minus 4. Did we get the bracket same? If you got so, children, the multiples and the signs what you have put is correct. So 5a minus 4, 5a minus 4. I will take out 5a minus 4 as common factor. Remaining terms again write it separately in the brackets, that is 5a minus 3. While writing that also you should be very careful. So 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3 we got. You can stop at this point, children. So this is how you will solve. Similarly, we shall solve next question also. Before solving next question, children, here what is this area bantu alva? Area is 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. What is the formula for area, children? Area is length into breadth. Alva? Area of rectangle is, you write one line, no, I forgot to tell you. We know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So we got these two products means therefore we are not perfect that ide length ide breadth anta among these two. Therefore the possible values anta bariyana. Therefore the possible values of L and B are L is 5a minus 4 whereas B is 5a minus 3 anta one bracket, one length kodi, one breadth kodi, that's it. So that is how you should write, children. The similar method we will solve the second question also, which is 35y squared. Again you have big numbers, 13y plus 13y minus 12. Multiply first and last term along with sign, plus into minus minus. 35 into 12, I don't know, I will find out. 12 5s are 60, 0 carry. 12 3s are 48. 48 plus 6 is to 54, correct? 540, what is there? Y square is there. Now I need to find out the factors. Which table can we start? 540, 7, hey, 12 4s are 48 to 12 3s are 60. Alva, 12 5s are 60, 0 6 carry, 12 2s are 23s are 36. 36 plus 36, oh your favorite number, 420 we got, not 540. That is what I was wondering, which table to start. So 420 y square, what 420? Minus 420 y square we got. Now you need to find the multiples or the terms. 420 andre, shall we start with, I want 30. Oh. So if I start with 20 table, 22s are 40 andre, 2 remaining, 21s are 20. 20 minus 20 andre 1 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. I want 31. So I don't want this table 20. Fifteen table only if I start. 15 3s are 45 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 15 2s are 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 42 minus 30 is 12. Clearly 15 how many times? 7s are 15 7s are 15 6 15 8s are 120 alla, so 28. 15 into 28 into 28, perfect children. So 15 into 28 is 420. So what I will do is 28. See, I always write bigger number first. If you want to write 15 into 28 only, no problem. But minus sign is there. So whatever sign the middle number is having, I will give to greater number, plus 28. ಇದಕ್ಕೀಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 28 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 15 you should add up. It will be more than 13. So minus ಮಾಡೋಣ. 28 minus 15 is children 8 minus 5 3, 2 minus 1 3. See 13 we are getting. Plus into minus minus 28 into 15 is 420. Y into y is y square. This is satisfied. Plus 28 minus 15 andre plus 13 which is the required term. So very perfect. I will rewrite the question. Plus 13y minus 12. First term 35y square as it is. I will replace 13y plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. Group first two terms, last two terms. What is common? I will start take 7 table. Why? 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28. Other 8 6 alla we cannot children. So we'll go with 7 since okay. 7 and I will take out y as common factor under 5 7 5s are 35, one more y remaining y, plus into plus is plus, 7 4s are 28, y came out. So I got 5y plus 4. Now what I will do children, minus 15 hange baritini. 15 and 12 commonly will go in which table? 3 obviously. See 5s are 3 4s are. So minus 3 ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಏನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂತು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ರೋಟ್ plus 5y plus 4 ಅಂತ. But don't take risk in this number. Minus minus ಬರಿಬೇಕು. What I am taking 3 as common factor. Now if you do children 3 how many times is 15? 3 5s are 15, y as it is. Minus into minus plus, 3 4s are 12. Didn't we get same? So 5y plus 4, 5y plus 4. Take 5y plus 4 as common and remaining term 7y minus 3 in one more bracket. Therefore, possible length L is 5y plus 4, whereas possible breadth B is 7y minus 3 is the answer. Again, this is the area, children. Again, you should write area of the rectangle is length into breadth anta baruttu. You should end up like this. Very simple it is. That is how we will solve the 15th main. So we should go to the last main, that is 16th main, children. Here we find out the rectangle. So area is length into breadth anta we did. But in the 16th main, children, volume is being given. 16th main only. Two questions again we have. Yes, no? What are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboids whose volume are given below? So, very simple problems these are. Minus 12x is that correct? Question is 3x square minus 12x is that. They are telling that this is the volume of the cuboid. So, first you should know what is the formula for volume of the cuboid. So, you will write one line for both the problems. I will write only for one problem. Volume of a cuboid V is equal to length into breadth into height. If only area, children, it is meter square, centimeter square. Adike length breadth. But volume ankulle meter cube, centimeter cube we will write now. So it is length into breadth into height. Three physical quantities we have. Now, given volume is 3x square minus 12x. Now, just now we solved the 15th main. We used to get two terms in the brackets and we used to write one is length, one is breadth. So, here, if at all we are finding value means it is understood, children, we should get three brackets like that. So, one length, one breadth, one height. But by keeping only 3x square minus 12x, can you find out three brackets is the question now. So what we shall do is observe the term 3x square minus 12x. Do you find anything in common? Yes, we have two things in common, both constant and variable. I will take out 3 as common factor as well as x as common factor. If I take out 3x square only, 3 and x bandra, I am left with only 1x. Plus into minus, minus 3, 4 times is 12. X has already come out, so close the bracket or else it will run out. I said no. So 3 into x minus 4 I got. What as? Volume as is equal to 3 into x minus 4. Further, can you simplify? Yes, you can simplify. How? Again multiply 3x into x minus 4. What do you get? Get back 3x square minus 12x. So how long you want whole board, I can do it and say it is of no use or none of the identities I can apply, children. So what I will do is, I will stop it here. Done. But 3x one term, x minus 4 one term, length breadth siktu, but height alli ma'am anta you may ask me. Here, children, it is product of 3 into x, no? Therefore, possible, I am splitting 3x here. Possible values of length is equal to 3, breadth is x, and height is x minus 4 anta baitini. So 3 into x alva. So 3 may be length, x may be breadth, x minus 4 is height. Like that we are writing the possible values. Now same formula you should write for the second one also, but I will not write. Here it is different. See, 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k is been given to you. Here again they are telling children this is the volume. After writing question you will write this ditto. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So how to simplify I will show you. Given volume is 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Here also children we shall think what can be taken in common. 12, 8 to 20. All the three terms should go in one table as we did 3 here. So can we take 4? 8 you cannot take, 20, 12 cannot. So if I take 4 as common factor, do you have any other thing as common factor? Yes, see, k. But y? Only first two terms have. So you cannot take y as common factor. but k is present in all the three terms means I can take k also as the common factor. When I take, so what I am left with? 4 3s are 12. K came out, I am left with y square. Plus 4, how many times is 8? 2 times is 8. K came out, I am left with y. Plus into minus, minus 4. 5 times is 20. K came out and I close the bracket. So in the bracket children, we got 3y square plus 2y minus 5. 3 terms factorization. Go back to same method. Multiply first and last term along with sign. Plus 3y square into minus 5 3s are 15 minus 15y square. Now you should find the multiples such that you should get 2. Very simple. 3 5s are 15. 3 minus 5 or 5 minus 3 is 2. So we will go with 5 3s are 15. Give y to both the terms. Plus sign is having, middle term is having plus sign means I will give to greater number. So plus 5 minus 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I will get the middle term plus 2y satisfied. Plus into minus minus 5y into 3y is minus 15y square children. So volume is equal to 4k into plus 3y square. I will replace middle term by plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. Group first two terms, last two terms. V is equal to 4k into nothing is common except y. I will open big bracket. Y into 3y plus 5 minus 3y minus 5 andre nothing is common andre children. You should not take as 0. 1 anta tagobeku. 1 is the common factor. So 3y minus into minus is plus 3y plus 5 as it is. Ee line ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. So what I got is 3y plus 5. Again volume is 4k into bracket is same, so take it as common factor 3y plus 5 into y minus 1. I am doing normal factorization for 3 terms children as we did for the earlier problems. So now I got 4k as one term, 3y plus 5 as one term, y minus 1 as one term. So I got totally 3 terms which I can say as the therefore possible values of L is 4k, length is 4k, breadth is first bracket you can take which is 3y plus 5 and height is second bracket y minus 1. So those are the possible values of length, breadth and height. That's all children. So this is about the 16th May and this completes the biggest chapter in algebra, that is polynomials in your textbook. Chapter is completed children. So these, as I said, this is not that easy as you see when you solve. When I am solving children, when you solve only you will get to know the difficulty and very much careful with the sign. I keep on telling you. So by this children we complete 2 chapters, one from arithmetic, one from geometry in your portions. So next I will be starting with the geometry lesson, introduction to Euclid's geometry, for which you will have to keep one unruled long notebook for geometry. Till then, complete this classwork and keep yourself ready children. Practice as many times as you till you are clear with the problems. Any doubts you can ask me children.